Hey guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I'm out here in the shop and I have another mail call. And I'm not sure who these people are. I know what one of the boxes is only because I opened the packing slip that was on the cover. But let me get to them. And I see my lens is fogging over. Let me get you unfogged. You guys got to keep your eyes clean here. How's that? Is that better? Yeah. It's over 90 degrees outdoors. Although here in the shop it's actually less than 80. But because it's so hot, I'm going to go back inside and into the air conditioning. I've been running around all morning. It's afternoon time and it's time for me to have some lunch. So yeah, I think I'll spend the afternoon in the AC where it's nice and cool. Anyway, let's see what this is. Oh, you guys are all fogging up again. My camera was in the house where the AC is going. I believe that this is the part. Oh, let me wipe your off again. Get your eyes clean. Is that better? Oh yeah. I believe this is the part that goes in my end post. Not end post, what do they call it? It's one of the parts I already cleaned. Let me go over here to the box. And I believe that this part goes inside here. Yes, it does. This goes inside of here, like that. So we're one step closer. Wow, and it has the gradations on it. Can you see that? Yeah, pretty cool. I'm blown away, just totally blown away by you guys. Put this back up in here and we'll put the rest of it right there with it. And let's get on to the next box. The part was bought on eBay. There's a couple of boxes in here. There's one there, and there's another one there. With some directions. Well, let me open up the boxes and see what's in the boxes. Aha. This is the back plate for what is in the other box. Let me wipe your eyes again. You guys keep getting all teary-eyed, and I can understand. I'm having a hard time controlling my emotions too. How cool is that? Sometimes an old guy, this old guy anyway, becomes speechless, and that's hard to believe, I know. And there's a box of parts that go with it. And this is all wrapped in oilcloth, I guess you'd call it. But here's what it is. And I'm not going to unwrap it completely. Look at that. A nice, very nice chuck for the lathe. And the other box of parts that came with it, I think has another set of teeth to go with. Yeah. It's another set of teeth, or whatever you call them, and the wrench. Wow. And it was shipped to me direct from the person who was selling it on eBay. Thank you so much. Sorry for losing control a little bit. I just don't know what to say other than thank you. And that seems insufficient. You guys are all such a blessing to me. And I appreciate you one and all. And not because of all the wonderful gifts that you have given to me, but because of the friendships that I have been able to establish in my time here on YouTube. And I enjoy interacting with each one of you. Thank you so much. Today is Saturday, and if you are a person who worships, whether you worship, some of you may be worshiping today. I have Seventh-day friends and I have First-day friends. May tomorrow or today, or whatever day you choose to worship, be an extra special blessing for you. Thank you so much. Bye now.